Hey guys, so quick video for you if you want to reset an S20 Plus for the Xiaomi and how to do it. So when you're gonna open the cover and you're gonna have reset button here, and for the reset button you want to press and hold for 3 seconds to restore the factory settings, or you want to press and hold for 10 seconds to turn it off forcefully, and then it's going to reset. So as you can see, you're gonna have the Wi-Fi indicator. That's something that you don't want to touch, but there you're gonna have reset button. So you're gonna press and hold it 3 seconds to restore factory settings and for 10 seconds to turn it forcefully. And that's pretty much it, how the whole process works. So hope this video provided a little bit of value, and have a great day and goodbye.